In front of me is Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to access Safety and Emergency. Then Emergency Contacts. Continue as or use without an account and add contact. Now it's time to tap on the one that you wish to add and do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. If you want to remove one of your contacts, click on this X next to the one that you wish to get rid of and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!